So if you do visit Jamaica, you are encouraged to come to the Cassiton Garden River, where man meets nature, and you can actually get there. Well, it's really a free access there. You don't have to pay any money. It's Cassiton Gardens, right on the border of St. Andrew, right on the border of St. Andrew and St. Mary. Wonderful, wonderful, soothing sensation. The beauty is so great, right? And down by that section now, you would obviously have several fish swimming. So here I'm at a still section of the river. A lot of tadpole, right? And also several fish. I don't know if you can see them. They are moving. You see them? I see them. Can you see them? There they are. They are moving down the stream. Right. So several of these fish exist. I don't know what kind of fish they are. They want to look like cichlids. Don't know. There they are. That stripe looking thing, right in front of you. That's the fish. Right, found in the river. I don't know what kind of fish it is. Probably you can let me know. Here are some more. Here are some more. My fingers are going towards them. They just dart a while ago. Right. Cool. So the fish actually will be around this calm section where there is no much activity, no much water flowing over, much person sink in the water itself, right? And they will practically be here until time gets quiet and then they move out for food. This section of the river now, the water is actually flowing. Right? So you wouldn't find fish here. You'll find fish like probably small sections like this. Or sections like this. Or sections like this. Right? Don't know what kind of fish exists. Don't know what the name of the fish. All I know that some fish is in this water. And they are of several varied sizes. These fish are of several varied sizes. You need from small to large. Here are some more. I'm gonna see if I can actually get them to move so you can actually see. Here's another here. Here they are swimming. I'm not in any mood to catch any wild fish right now. Here are some more. Right. There's another on the rock, swim. Right, another. Right. So that's it for now. Cycle of life for like small reptile amphibians such as the frog begins from a noble stage of tadpole. And here are a few that swimming there hiding. Right? I'm gonna see if I can find some more. Here they are. Here are some tadpole. This is a baby tadpole found at the river, right? Which would eventually become a frog. Here's another one. Right. So along with snails, there are frogs and there are fish, and there are also shrimp within the river. I'm in no mood of getting my foot wet, so I'm going to be walking around to see how much I can actually see. There's a lot of tadpole. Usually eventually become frogs.